Hello students. So today we'll be starting with the 12th chapter. I hope every one of you have finished your copies till chapter number 10, that is polygon. Now we'll be starting with the next chapter 12, that is equation. So what do you mean by equation? See, equation when we are writing expressions, right? Expressions in terms of variables equals to sign some constant. So this is called an equation. Coming to the definition of equation, a mathematical statement that states two expressions are equal to each other, right? Some things, if we are equating, we are writing it with equals to sign, it is called an equation, right? Equations can be true or false. True equations is when the value is satisfied, and false equation is when, see, here 1 plus 1 is 2, so this is a true equation. 1 plus 2 is 4, this is a false equation because 1 plus 2 is not 4. So there's no theory part, not much theory part in this. So we'll be moving on to the questions. See, all the questions are of same type, right? Same steps. In first question, see, 4x plus 18 upon 5x equals to 2. So now in this first question, I have solved it stepwise, and I have also done the verification part. I have done verification part for only one question, but you are going to do the verification in each and every question, since it is asked that solve the equations and verify your answer, right? So to explain, I have done it in only one question, right? It is very easy, you can do it by yourself. So today's homework will be, you'll be writing it in your copies and you will be solving the verification part of all the questions in your copies, right? So coming to the question, 4x plus 18 upon 5x equals to 2, right? See, so no number is here, means here it is one denominator. Now first step will be cross multiplying, right? First step will be cross multiplying it here. So after cross multiplying, what will we get? 4x plus 18 upon 5x equals to 2 by 1. So this will be multiplied with this, and this means cross multiply, numerator of one side of the equal to will be multiplied to the denominator of the other side. So 4x plus 18 into 1, it will be same, and next will be 5x into 2. Now after this we'll be doing the transposing part. Transposing means moving on the similar terms to one side. 4x plus 18 equals to 10x. So see, this x terms will be shifting it to one side. So this 4x will come here, right? This 4x will come here. So it will be in minus sign, since whenever an equation or a number is transferred to other side of the equals to, the sign changes. If it is in plus sign, it will be minus, it will be subtracted there. If it is minus, it will be added there. Or if it is in multiplication, it will be divided, and if it is in division, it will be multiplied, right? So here it is 4x means plus sign, right? So here that side it will go and it will be minus 4x. So 10x minus 4x is 6x. So 6x is 18. So value of x, what we are getting? 18 upon 6, that is 3. 6 3s are 18. So till here is the answer. Here we have got the answer as x equals to 3. Now comes the verification part. How will you verify? See, the question, the one side of the question is LHS, the left side is LHS, left hand side, right, and the other side is RHS, right hand side. So now what we have got, the value of x as 3. So we'll be putting this 3 in this equation. Let us see how we are going to put 4x, 4 into, in place of x, what you are going to write? 3. So 4 into 3, right, plus 18, here no x is there, upon 5x means 5 into 3. right? So 4 into 3 is 12 plus 18 upon 5 into 3 is 15, right? So 12 plus 18 is 30 upon 15, that is 15 ones are 15 twos are. So answer is 2. Is this the RHS? Is this the RHS given in the question? 2, yes, it is the RHS. So when we are solving the LHS, when we have solved this, what we are getting the answer as 2, which is the RHS given. Since LHS equals to RHS, hence we have verified that the solution is x equals to 3. So this verification part you are going to solve it for each question by yourself. Now coming to the next question, 5x plus 2 upon 2x plus 3 equals to 7 by 5. Now what we'll do again, first step, cross multiply, right? 5 into 5x plus 2 and 7 into 2x plus 3. So 5 into 5 is 25x, 5 into 2 is 10, right? 7 into 2 is 14x and 7 into 3 is 21. So after this what we'll do, transposing means bringing the similar terms to one side, right? Variables to one side and constant to one side. So we'll bring this x to the left hand side and we'll take this 10 to the right hand side. So here it is in 14x is in plus sign, no sign is given means it is plus, right? So plus, and so it will come here and it will become minus. So 25 minus 14 is 11 and 21 minus 10 is again 11. So x is 11 by 11, x is 1, right? So verification part you will be putting in this equation x as 1, right? 1 is this I am going to solve. Let me solve and show you. 5 into 1, this is the verification part, okay? You are going to solve it in the after this verification. For one more question I am explaining. So 5 into 1 will be 5, 1 plus 2 upon 2 into 1 plus 2. Why am I putting 1? Because the value of x we have got 1. So 5 into 1 is 5 plus 2 as it is. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, right? 5 plus 2 is 7. So numerator is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. Denominator is 5. 7 by 5, is it the RHS? Yes. So again you are going to write LHS equals to RHS. Hence the solution of the equation is x equals to 1. Now again the same, just the thing you have to remember is putting the sign, right? Suppose you are negative or subtracted or number with minus sign is multiplied, right? So what will we do? Whenever the number with minus sign is multiplied, we'll be putting that minus sign, right? See, again first step will be cross multiply. 7 into x minus 3 equals to minus 3 into x plus 2, right? So solving the bracket, 7 into x is 7x minus 21 equals to minus 3 into x is minus 3x minus plus minus is minus 3 into 2 is 6, right? So now 7x plus 3x is minus sign will come this side and it will become plus sign. 7 plus 3 is 10, right? 10 and 21 minus 6 is 15. So 10x equals to 15, x equals to 15 by 2, which is, see, we can cancel this with 5 table, right? 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. So the answer is x equals to 3 by 2, right? For this also verification part you are going to solve it. You will put the value x equals to 3 by 2 in the equation LHS and RHS, right? And you're going to solve it. Now moving on to the next question, that is 6th. 8 minus 3y upon 5x plus 5y plus 2 equals to 1 by 6. So again first step will be cross multiplying. So after cross multiplying, what are we getting? See, first LHS will be multiplied. 8 minus 3y into 6 equals to 1 into 5y plus 2. So 8 6 are 48 and 6 3s are 18, right? So 48 minus 18y, and there we have 5y, and here plus 2, right? 5y plus 2. So now again transposing, bringing the constants to the one side and variables to one side. So 5 8, here it is plus 2, it will go this side, it will become minus 2. So 48 minus 2 is 46, and 5y plus 18y is 23y. I have brought this variable to this side because we generally write the answer as x equals to or y equals to the term, right? So now what we are getting y as, see, 23y is 46. So what is the value of y? 46 by 23, which is 2. So the value of y is 2. Again we will be solving the verification on your own. Now next question, 7th question. 17 minus 2y upon k minus 5 equals to minus 3 by 1. Again first step, what will it be? Cross multiply. So 17 minus 2k, right, into equals to minus 3 into k minus 5, this. So again we will solving the brackets. Minus 3 into k will be minus 3k, minus minus will be plus, 3 into 5 is 15, right? So 3k, here it will be 3k is in negative sign, it will go in this side and it will become plus. So minus, so 3k minus 2k will be 15 minus 17. So value of k is minus 2. So this is the answer. Now see, in this, before cross multiplication we will be solving the brackets. Why? Because it will become easier for us to solve the brackets and then solve the question. So we'll multiply the minus sign here, minus x, and plus minus is minus, minus 7 here also, right? Minus 5x, minus minus is plus, and 9, right? Answer is 2 by 3. Now 4x minus x is 3x and minus 7. Now 3x minus 5x is minus 2x and plus 9 equals to 2 by 3. It is given. We will be equating it to the RHS, right? So now cross multiply. Now comes the step for cross multiply, right? And now the steps are also same, only the difference in this question was the starting 2 step that we have solved the bracket first. Rest all is same like till now we were solving. So we'll be moving on to the next question. This is the last question. This is the decimal part. 1.5x plus 0.3 upon 3x equals to 3 by 10. So cross multiply, right? 10 into 1.5x plus 0.3 equals to 3 into 3x. So what can we do here? cross multiplying. 1.5 into 10 is 15. Point, decimal point will be removed, right? You can multiply and check also. Into 0.3, when it is multiplied with 10, again the decimal point will be removed, right? So what we are getting, equals to 9x. 3 into 3 is 9. So 15. Now we'll be transposing the similar term, the variables to one side and constants to one side. So 15 minus 9x is 6x, right? And here it is minus 3. So 15 minus 9 is 6x. 6x equals to minus 3. So x will be minus 3 by 2, which is, it will be cancelled. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, right? So the answer is minus 1 by 2, and if we are putting it in decimal, it will be, we can divide and check, right? 2 will be dividing it with 1 with 2. 1 is smaller, so we'll put a point and 0. 2 5s are 10. Subtraction, what is the answer? 0.5. So the answer is 0.5 and negative sign, since we are having negative number here. So this is the answer, and with this question we are finishing the first exercise of this chapter 12. So complete your copies, note down all the questions and solve the verification part in your copies, right?